Let's close this one, close few other tabs. Let's go to Visual Studio, stop debugging, close all documents, minimize this one, no, this one. Let's go to the project, right click, add new folder, EF, the name, the folder, right click, add a class, specify a name course. This is the course class to generate course table in the database. Let's specify few properties, prop tab twice, and the GUID and the first column name, which is course ID. This would be the primary key. So this I specified at the top. And second one, public string title. In the course we need title, and this is required field and need to import the data annotation, component model data annotation. And string length we can specify 50. Okay, enter. Another properties, this will be string, and this is description column, and copy this and paste it at the bottom couple of times. Let's name it Wistia ID. This field we need to get ID and specify here from Wistia, and this is the price long. We can specify the course price here, and the teacher ID will be string and teacher ID of SPNet users table. Actually, this is revenue column to get the total revenue earned from this course, and here virtual models dot application user. This is actually ASP.NET user table, and we are specifying this name exactly teacher, and teacher belongs to this teacher ID so that it can map automatically. This is mandatory to specify this name, otherwise it will not work. Copy this required and paste it here, paste it here. Mainly all fields are required so that we can force the user to specify the field's value. Paste it here. Need to check something. Okay, string length, copy this one, and with the ID string length 50. Cross this one. We need to show beautiful teacher ID. This one 450, because in database this column data type 450 in ASP.NET users table. That's the reason. Copy this one, not copy. Teacher ID should be image path, and image path string length should be 450 because this can be the longest path. So 450 it is. Let's create another class, add class, and this is course student. This table is to specify, to find out which student take which course. Let's specify property, prop, tap twice, course student ID. This is the primary key. Required field, and import the component data annotation. Prop, press tab twice, GUID, and this is course ID. This course ID belongs to course table. This course table and this course ID same as this course ID. Need to specify another property, name is string, the student ID. Required, copy this one and this one, and student ID string length should be 450 because this student ID belongs to this ASP.NET users table, and this is mentioned 450. That's the reason we're specifying this. Let's specify public virtual models.application user. This is actually ASP.NET user, and the name should be student. This need to be matched correctly, student and student ID, otherwise it will not map properly. Prop, tap twice, virtual, and this is course. This will map with the course table. Let's save this. Go to course and let's specify course student so that it can map. Prop, virtual, course student, iCollection. One course can be taken by many students, so many students can take one course. That's the reason why we are specifying iCollection, and we are need to specify default constructor CTOR, tap twice, and this is the constructor, and we need to initialize this course student hash set course student, so that whenever you initialize this object, this collection will be initialized and won't be null. That's the reason. Open a new file, cmd, hit enter. Need to write migration code to generate the database table. .NET EF migrations, add any name you can specify here, course table. Hit enter. Oh, we forgot something. We didn't specify this table in DB set, so cross this one. Okay, no need. Okay, again cmd. Need to remove this migration. We accidentally migrated wrong information. So .NET EF migrations remove. It will remove my previous migration. Here we are inserting wrong. Grations, remove. You will see this information will be gone after entering. This is done. So this already removed. It takes time to remove. Let's specify the DB set of our course and course student class. Public, okay, prop virtual DB set. Here we need to specify course, capital COURSE. Need to import the folder. Let's hover over and click this one, prop again, virtual DB set, course student. Copy this one and paste it here and append S. We wrote in wrong place. We cannot initialize this inside constructor. So cut this one and paste it below this constructor. That's it. Let's run .NET EF migration command. Add any name you can give. I am giving course student. Course add this migration name. Okay, course table. Hit enter. You will see course table migration will be generated. So course table.css file. Yes, this one. This is the migration we need. Let's update the database. You can write this command to remove, but we don't need to. Let's write update database command .NET EF database migrations. No need. Database update. Now we are trying to generate course and course student table in the database, but we are getting error. What's the error? Here it's saying this foreign key constructor has conflict to update. Let's see the migration. Let's search that foreign key constraint. Here it is. Here we need to specify cascade no action. It's specifying that if you delete a record from this course student, it will delete the corresponding user from the ASP.NET users. But this is, we don't want this. So here we are specifying no action. If we delete anything in this table, it will not delete anything in other table. That is expected. Let's run now .NET EF database update, and this time it will work. So it's done. So it's created. Let's verify this in SQL Server Management Studio. Refresh this one. No, this one. Tables, refresh. And this is course table. Let's refresh. New database where the course and course student table. Refresh this one. New database diagram. Course table where it is. Course already generated. Design. This is so refresh database. Interesting. Let's connect this database. Click refresh. That's it. We found out our course and course student table. This course and course students, select, and ASP.NET users, because this is connected with this table. That's the reason. These three tables we will be dealing with for this entire course. Scrolling up, hold this one and up a little bit so that we can better visualize. Okay, let's save this, Ctrl S and diagram. Refresh this one. This is our new tables. This course ID belongs to this course ID, and this student ID belongs to this ID, and this teacher ID belongs to this ID. This is how it mapped.